Hi, everybody. This is Raj from Hibex Group. I'm from Singapore, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about screw fastening and how to make your production line a bit better, more into the poke yoke, and how to make the line more effective. One of the key problems that we are facing today is the change of operators. The operators keep changing, then has to be trained, and before sending to the assembly line. So this kind of problems, we have observed this kind of problems across the globe, and we have come up with solutions. It's not just a simple solution. It's a screwdriver with a little bit of poke yoke in it. That means foolproofing. So the operator doesn't need to be fully trained. If you see a normal screwdriver, of course, now I'm going to introduce a HIOS BLG series of drivers with the BC2 function. I'm going to go a little bit about the basic functions of this driver. This is a torque driver with a mechanical clutch, and it gives specific, it stops at a specific torque. And beyond that, what it helps is, it tells the operator whether the screw is right or not. One of the key failures in the assembly line is sometimes the operator do take a wrong screw to assemble the wrong workpiece. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how, and it helps to eradicate the problem. It comes with the counter function too. Currently, I've set the number of counts to 5. You can change it easily by changing this one. Assuming you want 6 screws or 7 screws or 10 screws, we can easily change it using this one. Now I'll set it to 10 screws. And let me start the function. Currently, I'm going to take I have a couple of screws to demonstrate. First, this one is the right screw for the right workpiece. I'm going to tighten it. You can see a number here. It just count down from 10 to 9, and there was a number there which is the motor rotation. So this screw is the correct screw. Imagine the operator by mistake takes another type of screw and try to assemble it. It raises an alarm showing that the operator by mistake used a wrong screw. Next action is the operator can immediately unscrew the screw, put it back to wherever he takes, and take the right screw. And tightens it. This is one step closer to a foolproof mechanism. So use this function and benefit from it. Thank you. I will come up with more tricks and tips like this to make your assembly line better. Thanks for listening. Thank you.